Have you ever stood in front of a crowd and suddenly felt nervous and your voice disappeared? Your mind goes blank, your heart beats faster, and the message you wanted to deliver gets lost. This is where most people fail because public communication is not just about speaking, it's about owning the stage, controlling the moment, and influencing every single person in front of you. Hello learners, this is Mumu again, an UX UI designer, simplifies communication and journalism. Today we are going to explore public communication, so let's do this thing.
What is public communication? Public communication is the process where a single speaker delivers a message to a large audience with the purpose of informing, influencing, or inspiring. The audience give nonverbal and sometimes question and answer feedback. Though one person delivers a message to a large audience, it is not casual, it is not random, it is strategic. In public communication, you are not just delivering words, you are shaping perception. Where happens? When we see someone delivering speeches, giving presentation, conducting seminars, making public announcements or media broadcast, all these are under public communication. There is no need of any mediator or digital device. Key features. Public communication has some defining features. First one is scale or large audience. You are speaking to many people at once. You are addressing a group, not just one or two individuals. Structured message. Every word, every line must be planned. Your message needs to be well organized and planned. Third, limited feedback. Unlike interpersonal communication, immediate response is often missing. You don't always get immediate responses, yet you must continue with confidence. Fourth, formal setting. This is a professional environment. Your note, your language, your presence, everything matters. Most public communication happens in formal or semi-formal environments. Fifth is use of media and tools. Microphones, slides, visuals all enhance your delivery. Now comes the types. There are different types depending on purpose. First one is informative, like sharing knowledge. When you educate people through lectures, presentations. Second, persuasive means influencing opinions. When you influence through debates, campaigns. Entertaining means engaging audience. When you engage audience through motivational talks, storytelling. Ceremonial, special occasions. When you speak on special occasions like award speeches or informal events. All these are public communication. Different purpose, different delivery, but one goal, impact. Now the process. Let's understand the process of public communication. Before speaking in public, the speaker prepares the message, then organize the thoughts, choose the medium, then deliver the speech. Audience receives and interprets. Then feedback by claps, reactions, or later responses. Importance. Why is it so important? The way you speak publicly defines how the world sees you. First comes leadership and influence. Public communication builds leaders. Leaders use public communication to inspire and guide people. Career growth. It drives career success. Presentations, interviews, meetings, this skill can change your career. Awareness creation. Public speaking spreads knowledge and awareness in society. Fourth, personal branding. And most importantly, it builds your personal identity in front of the world. How you speak publicly defines your image. Now comes the barriers. Here is the problem most people struggle. They face stage fear, they lack of presentation, show poor body languages, and then deliver unclear messages. And thus they lose connection with the audience. And once you lose the audience, you lose the moment. How to master it? How you can improve the skill of public communication? This is the most important part. First, practice regularly. Confidence is built, not given. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Second, know your audience. Understand who you are speaking to. If you don't understand them, you can't connect with them properly. Third, structure your speech. Maintain a structure like clear intro, body, and conclusion. A powerful opening, a clear body, and a memorable closing can make your presence more effective and long lasting to the audience. Fourth, use and control body language. Eye contact, gestures, posture, this matter a lot. Your posture speaks before your words do. Fifth, control your voice. Tone, pace, and clarity create impact. This create authority. And finally, overcome fear. Nervousness is natural, but preparation reduces fear. Embrace the fear because even the best speakers feel nervous, they just don't let it control them. Examples. Some examples of public communication are a teacher teaching in classroom, a presenter presenting in a meeting, a speaker speaking on stage, and a content creator on YouTube. All these are public communication in different form, but the way is same. One person presenting to a large audience. And I hope this short discussion will help you to know a short overview of public communication.
Public communication is not just a skill, it's a weapon that can inspire minds, influence decisions, and create real change. If you can master this, you can stand out in any room, on any stage, or in any field. My next video will be on mass communication. If you found this video helpful, stay connected. Until then, keep learning, keep improving, and start doing your best.